Welcome back. The SGX Nifty is up about 51 points. Let's see how things move. Crude has also inched up, so that would be a bit of a headwind for our market. We have our technical experts now joining us, Ashwini Gujral, Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitesh Thakkar. Good morning. Sudarshan, let me start with you since we're having some issues with Ashwini's feed. Your thoughts on how to approach the index from here. We've had a decent rally and then a bit of a correction. Friday was a rally day once again, but driven mainly by large caps. Do you stick to large caps or is there a different trade here?
Yeah, good morning, Anuj. I would say that the rally was simply a bounce back from support levels. The Nifty is finding support. Let's just round it up to 11,800. I do not think the Nifty is going to go and run away from here. So we can see a rally, in sympathy with the US markets and Hong Kong and elsewhere, maybe 12,000, maybe a little above 12,000. So we are essentially going to be locked in a trading range. Inside the trading range, good quality mid caps could also perform. It's not just large caps, but the key word is good quality. I expect the Nifty to slowly rise today. So for today, the trade is to go long in the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. For the Nifty, you keep a stop of 11,980 or 880 and expect a small modest rally, not much. But today we should be on the long side and then see what happens.
Well, good morning. Sudarshan, what is the trading range you said now? 11,800? The upper end would be?
11,800 and 12,000.
Okay.
So it's not much of a rally upside.
Okay. And in the Nifty Bank?
In the Nifty Bank, the charts are a little better because it found strong support at 30,600. So I would expect a rally to 31,500 or even higher.
Okay, 31,500 on the Nifty Bank. Well, we're not too far away from that, about 500 points or so. But we have Mitesh Thakkar and Ashwini Gujral with us. Ashwini is on the phone line. Ashwini, good morning. On the index itself, what would the call be? I mean, we are at just about at that 11,900 mark. Do you see a further up move this week?
Good morning. What we are going through is a sideways move. And sideways, the best places to buy are the boundaries. So the boundary was at 11,800 on the downside and maybe 12,050, 12,100 on the upside. Choppy markets can get a bit rough to trade in. I mean, the day we expect a large rally because global markets are doing well, you may not get follow through. So, you want to buy to, decline in this sort of a market rather than, try to chase these 50, 70 point gap ups because you may not get great follow through. Bank Nifty maybe could do a bit better than Nifty today, and broadly the range here is 30,800 to about 31,500. But overall, I would be surprised to see that by afternoon you start seeing profit booking post maybe 12,000 is crossed.
Okay. Mitesh, good morning. Your approach both on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, how would you trade it?
Good morning, Anuj. I have a very similar kind of approach to what Sudarshan highlighted. I am looking at some consolidation. To me, the lower end of the range would be between 11,750, 11,790, and I've been highlighting that while we were trying to get beyond those levels, the Nifty had spent considerable time consolidating with this 30-point band as the upper end of the range. So that should now become the support pivot, and I think we did see on Friday the markets kind of rebounded from 11,770, 780 zones. So I think this 30-point band on the lower side is the lower end of the range, and on the upside is 11,990 to about 12,000. So about 230 to 40-point range is what I'm looking at in the Nifty. While on the Bank Nifty, I think it's 31,300 to 50, which is the upper end of the range, to about 30,650. And if we cross 31,300, another 250, 300 points could happen on the upside.
All right, fair enough. Okay, gentlemen, with that, let's come to your individual stocks. Sudarshan, going with finance, huh?
That's right. As I said, the banks appear to be slightly better, and so that finance is probably the theme for the day. Bajaj Finance is a buy. after that big rally, actually Bajaj Finance has been consolidating for almost 10 days. So that consolidation should lead to an upside breakout. It's a very attractive buying opportunity. ICICI Bank is a buy. It's not that attractive. It's been falling for 5-6 days consequently, but now I think at least a small rally is possible in ICICI Bank. TCS similarly 3-day decline. In a bull market, a 3-day decline is what we get before a rally starts, so that's a buy. Since the markets can be mixed and not very kind to mid caps, I have two short sells intraday, Hindustan Zinc and C8. Both have been big disappointments.
Okay, well, Mitesh, you have 3 buy calls today and 1 sell call. Take us through the list.
That's right. I have a buy on Havells, and it's been a buy earlier as well, but clearly showing signs of continuation on the upside. Could head towards 815. Currently can be bought with a stop at 774. A couple of stocks which have come down on support areas. That's NBCC, which can be bought with a stop at 59.5. Look for targets of 64 to about 65, and Reliance Industries can be bought with a stop below 1300 for targets or a bounce back to about levels of 1345. The solitary sell call which I have, that's on Biocon, where the intraday charts are negative. So on a 3-4 point jump from here, around 532 can be sold. Keep a stop at 543, look for 510 as the first target.
Okay. Ashwini, you also have finance stocks.
Yeah, basically, the bank index as well as several financial stocks seem to have corrected fairly substantially. So today is a good day to be with financials. So Apollo Hospital is a buy stock of 1380, target of 1440. Bajaj Finance is a buy stock of 2490, target of 3560. HDFC is a buy stock of 2195, target of 2250. Hill Petro is a buy stock of 305, target of 321. And DCB is a buy stock of 235, target of 250.
Okay,
Thanks a lot for that. Well, and we do hope that in a half hour or so, we'll be able to get Ashwini on a better line and maybe on his live feed. Okay, so it's time for FNO, and Vinod Sharma is with us. Good morning, Vinod.
Good morning.
Okay, what are you trading today?
Yeah, obviously the ranges which have been told by your technical analysts are true for me as well. So I wouldn't be really running after the Nifty. But I would be looking at stocks which have moved for the first time. For instance, we look at the consumer durables, where we have seen Havells, Voltas and other companies also do well. So I picked up Havells from there, and I'm buying the 800 call at around 15 rupees. I'll have a stop loss at 10, target of around 25. And another, I have 2 other finance stocks, and one is PFC, which has consistently moved up slightly bit by bit every day. So I'm buying the 135 call here at around 4.3 rupees, stop loss at 3, target around 7. But highest conviction is obviously in ICICI Bank, which after a rise to a level of 440 odd has slided down level, and I'm now buying the 420 call at around 9 rupees, stop loss at 6, target around 15. If I were to choose one, I'll choose ICICI Bank.
Coming from HDFC Securities, I think that's an even higher conviction buy.
Okay, Vinod, thanks a lot.
My pleasure.
For joining us. ICICI Bank is still one of the biggest gainers this year, 20% return already. But we'll move from FNO to fundamentals in just moments from now. So